How to activate Windows 10 and Windows 11 with a product key. So first you want to right click on the start button and then go to settings. Now for Windows 11 you should click on system, and then under system you should find a activation category that you can click on. But for Windows 10 we will need to click on update and security and then go to the activation section here. Now you would click on change product key on both of Windows 10 or 11, and this window should show up. Now you should enter your product key right here. As you can see, my Windows is already activated with a digital license. Now, after activating your Windows, or before doing so, make sure that you have a Microsoft account added or linked to your Windows, as that can do it automatically for you. If you have a license bought from your Microsoft account, that should link it and activate your Windows automatically, even after formatting or installing Windows on a different device. By just logging into your Microsoft account, that should take care of it automatically and activate it for you immediately. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.